Hello friends, today we will learn how we can display last refresh date and time on Power BI reports. Okay, so we have opened this Power BI dashboard file. We click on transform data and go to Power Query editor. Here we click on enter data and click randomly not matter. Okay. After clicking this one row one column table, we have to add a custom column. Then here we have to type DateTime dot local now. Okay, this function return current date with time. Okay, it's extra and click on OK. So you can see here my current display system time is displaying here 5 December 2020. Okay, so just remove extra columns and rename this as press time and formatted assign formatted this as a date. Now close and apply this query, apply changes, and now you can see here a new table is displaying with refresh date and time. Now just drag this date column to the dashboard. Okay, just remove that. It's creating already a hierarchy, so don't matter this. You have to remove this. To just click this table as a just click on this table and mark this as a date table. So and refresh time is validate time. Now it will fix. Okay, now click on this refresh, drag this refresh time to your card. Now okay, it's okay. Hope you understand how we can display current refresh time on this board. Okay, just test this out. First click on refresh and we will see that it will change or not. Okay, it will change now. Thank you guys. If you like this video, and so please give me thumbs up and subscribe my channel. Thank you.